guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Check it out. I got my new Vevor 60-gallon sandblasting cabinet, and I started looking for modifications, right? So one of the big problems with sandblast cabinets, if you're just going to use one out of the box, is without proper airflow, it gets really hard to see what you're sandblasting because all the dust and debris starts kicking up inside of it. There are so many videos out there about how, oh, well, I used this vacuum cleaner and then I got this whirly twirly looking thing here, and then I added all this plumbing in. I bought a bunch of PCV pipes and I had to use a shop vac. And then the shop vac died because it wasn't designed to handle that kind of dust particulates, and then on and on and on with buckets and all this other stuff. So that doesn't work very well. So what I looked into was what is actually designed for this, and here it is. It is the Vevor Dust Reclaimer Kit. This is a purpose-built shop vac that sits on the side of these cabinets. This will fit the Harbor Fright. It fits the, what is it, Torin, I think, brand, and several other generics, and of course it also fits Vevor. I'm going to go ahead and open this thing up, and we'll take a quick look at it, see what it is made out of. We'll hook it up. And so this is, that's really cool that Vevor has gotten into the sandblasting game, because I was just in need for it. Oh, got some pieces that just fell. Been in need of this stuff for a little while now. Doing a bus restoration project on my automotive channel, and I hope you will follow me over there. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox all this, and here it is, the Vevor Vacuum Dust Reclaimer. Let's see what it says here, like holding a baby. Blast Cabinet Dust Reclaimer Kit, DC15. It's a big girl here, right? But the idea here is that this, with the help of some rubber gaskets, is going to fit right on the side of my blast cabinet where the port is. It's designed for it. And this is going to work a whole lot better than any of the aftermarket solutions you can find, the little vacuum adapters and the little 5-gallon buckets. There's so many videos I watched on this when I was researching how I was going to go ahead and do it. It does come with a reinforcement plate. You're going to attach this to the side of this, so we'll probably have to drill a few holes, but let's see here. It did come with 4 bolts and a big old fat rubber gasket. Let's see what we got here. Blast Cabinet Dust Reclaimer Kit. It is the model DC15, 120 volts, 1200 watts. For use with any industrial blast cabinet. Capacity is 2 gallons. And it's showing putting it on the back of their bigger. So they have a bigger cabinet that they offer. I think it's an 80-gallon blast cabinet. It sits on the back of that one. This one is going to sit on the side, which is good because then it doesn't have to be so far back. Has a couple of little things on, you know, what to do if it's damaged. But take a look here, and then I'll open it up. You know how it comes apart there. Big old filter cartridge that you can blow out. And so let me just go through it here while it's sitting on the bench. This lever here, you pull it down. Well, now we have the ability to drop all our dust out the bottom, right? So kind of circulate through. Nice positive locking mechanism there. Up on top here, resettable fuse, on-off switch. Here's where it mounts to the cabinet. And these are how we get to access this. I'll go ahead and pull it off. This top section, oops, got the cables hooked on there. There we go. This top section is our motor, and you can see a relatively large filter, paper filter. And so this can be blown out. You take it off, blow it out, clean it up, put it back on there. The bottom part here, which stays permanently attached to the unit. Nice rubber gaskets so nothing leaks. All of our solids sinking down to the bottom, and again can be pushed out the base there. And this is like a little, this is cool. Let me see if I can show you this. So the you know, you get a bunch of dust built up in your filter without having to disassemble it all. This is a spring loaded, and it literally taps just the side of that filter. Kind of see it down in there, hopefully. I'll get close enough to it. Taps the filter to knock the dust off into the bottom to be clean. So really cool. And it's a little tight in here, but oops. Of course, this stuff would be easier with a helper. To be 2 places in one, so sometimes not as easy as it sounds. But once you get them started, they're pretty easy to tighten down. So there we go, 4 bolts, 1 little plate, 1 little O-ring. Of course, you have to remove your old hose connection. This would be the way of doing it with a shop vac, or just letting it vent to the environment, which is a really bad idea, by the way. That's why it comes with a cover. And this is a nice tidy way without having to have all of the vacuum cleaner, the extra hosing, the PCV piping, to have your angles, that weird spinny thingy, you know, that I've seen in like 18 videos, a 5-gallon bucket, and then a shop vac that's still going to wear out because it's not designed to handle that kind of dust. Well, this is a all-in-one solution to that, and I like it. I think it looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and flip it on here. Oh yeah, I'd say that puts out quite a bit of air pressure. That thing is, that's potent. Yeah, that's a whole lot more powerful, I think, than an average shop vac. Air flows through here, out, air gets sucked in here. So it's pulling up, in, out, and out. Nice. And like I said, once this becomes full, give it a couple love taps, hit that piece over here on the side a few times, get yourself a bucket, drop your dust into that, and move on with more sandblasting. That'll do it for today, my friends. I'll leave a link to where you can get one of these. It is the dust and sand reclaimer unit from Vevor. Awesome stuff coming from them lately. Till next time, my friends, take care.